Okay, welcome to my laptop screen and as I already told you that in this video I will tell you how you can easily make Pareto if you are working in any BPO in the post of quality analyst or in any company where you require Pareto chart on frequent basis. Okay, so I already make some data, raw data, which I will going to paste over here and I will explain you what kind of data is it. Okay, so this is all about the data. Suppose this is P1. P1 means our P1, right? P1, P2, P3, these are the particulars, means parameters. These are our parameters. I have selected almost 25 parameter from P1 to P25. I hope you guys are uh, concentrating on my cursor, this one. Okay, so you will be more easy to understand what I am trying to convey to you, to all of you, right? So uh, this is my actual data where I am working right now as a quality analyst. Okay, so these are the points, these are the marks which we deduct on different parameters. P1, it is it weight is 3 marks, but someone is lacking on this parameter, so we mark down and that 3 point becomes 0, right? So first of all we have to calculate the zeros, how many zeros P1 have. So we have to come to the bottom over here, right? So if we have to count the number of zeros, how many zeros we have in P1. So for it we have to use countif formula, that is equal to COUNTFIF. Okay, and then tab, right? Now we have to select the range. It is already written here, the range is from where to till where you have to calculate that particular which you are really looking for, which you are really count for. So select here and then shift control down key, it will select the complete row in one go, right? And then you will easily see the now the formula is become is equal to countif bracket open a2 comma a297. Over here it is written 297 to till now. Then we have to make comma this mark. What we need to find, we need to find the zeros, the total number of zeros, and then again bracket close, then enter. You will see it shows a number which is 86. So in this complete section we have 86 times 0. I hope you get this particular point, right? Now make it copy, control C till the end over here and then enter. Okay, what I have done over here is I have calculated the number of zeros of every parameter till the end of their uh, means till the end of every parameter. In parameter 1 P1 we have 86, in parameter 2 we have 0, in parameter 3 we have 1, parameter 4 we have 24. Okay, so now open one more sheet in the same Excel. Now first of all you need to copy your all parameters, right? Control C, come to the sheet 2. Over here which you have selected, just come down in this so we can write something over here to understand. Select this one, A2. You need to paste it by special paste, and the formula of special paste is Control Alt V. You already copy something, right? I hope you remember. What we have copied? We have copied the parameters. Now we have to paste the parameter with the help of special paste. Control Alt V. Now the particular special paste formula this pop-up comes up. Okay. Now we understand, if we paste as it is, it will paste in a row, but we want to paste in such a way so it will help us to create Pareto chart. Okay, now make it value and then transpose. Why transpose? Once you enter, after clicking the transpose, you will easy to see that data in a manner which can be read by any person, like your senior manager, your client. It will be more easy to understand as well. Now, okay, now you will see the parameter paste in a row, right? Now come to the sheet number 1. I hope you remember, at the end we have calculated the number of zeros of every parameter. Now we have to select all, only count of zeros in every parameter we need to select. We don't need to select the entire sheet, right? Select only zeros with the help of mm, the formula which I've used, which is count if. Now control C, come to the sheet 2. Now B2 we need to select to paste the frequency. Again we need to paste it with the help of special paste. Control Alt V. Now value. Why value? We need to remove the formula, okay, which is count if, we have used in sheet number 1. Now select, you need to click the transpose, and okay, you have got these numbers. In parameter 1 we have 86 0, parameter 2 we have 0, parameter 3 we have 1. Okay, now write down their header so it will be more understand for you guys to understand what are the things they are. Okay, in A1 these are parameters. Into, that is frequency, Quency, frequency. Okay, point number in C we have written cumulative frequency, that is CF, and D1 we have cumulative frequency percentage. Okay, these are the 4 things which we required to make Pareto chart. I hope you understand. Okay, till now there is nothing which is very hard in terms of understand for you guys. If you really want to know how to make Pareto chart from this point, it will be more easy for you, right? Now uh, you have seen that the frequency is not in a order. We have to make these frequency in descending order, because when we make the chart in such a way so we can find out the top parameters which are hit it in a particular process, right? So we need to mark or make some filter over there. How? Just click it over there, shift control and L. With the help of shift control L you will see these buttons appears. What are these buttons? These buttons are the filters. Okay, now we need to reorder these parameters into descending. Means when you click over there, there is one option, sort largest to smallest. Means it is saying if you select this particular point, this thing, the parameter will be will appear in descending order. We have selected. Now you will see that P10 is on the top, right? Because P10 have 123 zeros. I hope you get it. Now the parameters are rearranged in descending order. Now we have to calculate the cumulative frequency. What is cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency is all about your frequency and added one more, the last one frequency in it. If you want to calculate the next frequency, how it will be calculated? In frequency 1, the first cumulative frequency, we have to just copy and paste. How? Equal to, select this one and then enter. Okay, this will be like this because uh, over here there is no value. Now you, when you come to this particular cell, the game starts from here. Equal to, you need to select the last cumulative frequency and then make a plus, and then the next frequency you need to select this one. I hope you understand. Equal to C2, which is this one, make plus, and then the next frequency. When you make enter, it will become added in your last frequency. Okay, so the total is 241. Now drag it to the end. Okay, you will see the cumulative frequency which is added in the last frequency. Okay, this is all about the cumulative frequency. Why we are looking this cumulative frequency? We are looking this cumulative frequency because we need to calculate the cumulative frequency percentage, which is this one. How it will be calculated? It is all about, now select this one. Equal to, we need to sum. Okay, so type sum, click tab button, and then we need to select from frequency 1 to the last, this one. You will see the total frequency is 905. Now how we gonna calculate the cumulative frequency percentage of every parameter? That is very easy to calculate. Equal to your cumulative frequency divided by the total number, the total count of frequency, that is 905. Okay, make it enter. You will see a particular number which is not look like a percentage, but you can easily change with the help of this mark in number over there. Make it to the percentage. I recommend you to convert your percentage into 2 decimal, like this. It will be more beneficial for everyone to understand the precise data. Okay, now again you have to drag it down till the end. There is a hack is to the end, the last one, it must be 100% at anyhow. Okay, this is all about your the table which we required to make Pareto chart. Okay, now the time have come to make the Pareto chart, right? We have to select the parameter, the frequency, and the cumulative frequency percentage only, nothing else. Okay, now select this one. Till now, in your keyboard there is a key, control. Press the control, select cumulative frequency, and select complete, this one, and release the control key. Okay, now you have seen that you have already selected only 3 things. One is the parameter, second one is frequency, and the third one is cumulative frequency percentage. That's all. Okay, Now you have to come to the above menu bar and insert. There is option insert here, there, and then there is option chart. Okay, insert. In charts there is an option of bar chart. Okay, you need to select 2D column and the first one. Okay, when you select the first one, click it, you will see one chart already built automatically, right? Make it a little bit big so it will be more easy to read and understand. Okay, the this one, the bars are declining in every step. These represent the frequency only. And once you have noticed that after every bar there is a small tiny bar as well. Okay, these are the cumulative frequency percentage. This is already written over here. Okay, now we have to convert these small tiny cumulative frequency percentage into line chart. How you gonna do it? It is very easy. Number one, we need to select the chart. Okay, now you will see that parameter and cumulative frequency is already selected. Now come to the same, click right. Now you have to select format data series. Once you collect, once you click, you will see primary axis and secondary axis. You need to select the secondary axis. When you select the secondary axis, no, at the same point of time the cumulative frequency percentage becomes into bar chart as well. Look, this happened. Okay, now what if you select the first one, you will see that these are the dots. One dot is here, one dot is here, one dot is here. These are the frequency in a declining way, in a decreasing rate. And this one, these are the cumulative frequency percentage in a increasing way. So we have to make this cumulative frequency percentage to line chart. How we gonna do it? Just we need to click, right click. Okay, change series chart type. Now this one, line. Just a second. Change series data. Okay, you will see the frequency over here, which is clustered column, right? And we have selected the cumulative frequency percentage, which is already clicked over here. The chart type, this is the chart type over here written. You will see the chart column, clustered column, right? We need to change it to line over here. Line. When you click the line, make it okay, you will make a particular line already build it. Okay, now one more thing we have to change in this chart, that is there is nothing more than 100% in real life. Okay, it is already 120%. We need to change it and make it to the 100%. We need to select, click over there, it will be select automatically. Right click, and then format axis we need to select. When you select the format axis, the maximum, it is written 1.2, we need to make it 1.0, right? And then enter. When you enter it, the percentage become maximum limit is 100%. Okay, make it more easy to understand. Just click the secondary data, which is your cumulative frequency percentage. Right click, add data label. It will help to see the percentage on every step, right? The first step is 13.59% written over here. 26.63, yes, correct. Okay, like the same way. And the first data, which is our frequency, you can add if you want. If you can also add the data level as well. It helps to understand that particular bar have how much of count of your zeros. Right now, the same chart, the same Pareto chart is also known as 80-20. 80-20, right? We whenever we try to represent this Pareto chart to someone else who really want to understand, he will ask why you make this, and what are the top uh, parameters which are affecting our process, right? So to represent the top errors, we need to select the shape. This one rectangle, you need to select the rectangle chart, rectangle, select here, make it like this. Okay, this will be hidden, but it will be easily changed by how shape format, click shape fill, and then select no fill. This already a box appear. Now shape outline, you can easily bold the shape outline as well. Okay, so this is how we make the Pareto chart. If you like the video, kindly like and subscribe my channel as well. Thank you.